Hey guys, we're at the warehouse. Fresh B case restocks today. Got like, what's that, 10 cases up there. All of them are open, but I'm really not sure if the collector's been through them yet because there are 3 right here. And my brother Tim already went through them like an hour ago. But boom, ID chase, he missed it. So, first ID car I've ever seen in person, well, held in person I mean. So, and it's 20% off. There we go. Tons of Subis in here, really nice cars there. I'll just check through the rest of these, see if he missed anything else. Red Miata, I'll grab that. Thank you. What's this? A case? Oh shoot, it's A case. Cool. And yeah, that's about it. I'll grab the other GT3 RS. Nice. And we've got a B case here as well. Skyline. This is the bottom, by the way, so I doubt anything will be in here. Flip the top. Yeah, B case it would be this one. Oh shoot. Score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19, 11, 12. Boom. I'll just have a quick dig through here. Tons of these, that's awesome. Yeah, I'll just get the boxes down for you guys because it's hard to look through with one hand. Alright guys, check this out. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 cases. 20 cases. Alright, these are the 3 I've already been through. They're all open, so let's go through them rapid fire. Alright, Skyline. These are all B cases, by the way. I'll check all the bottoms afterwards. I'm just going to go through the tops real quick. Sticker. Been told that means super, but I'm really not sure. Skyline 4GT. That nervous excitement of a super possibility. As I've learned, you can never trust that there'll be a super in these things. So about half of them were sealed, so we'll just have to see what we find, eh? Okay, there's 3. I'm gonna have to continue talking so I don't get a copyright strike. Skyline, rig. Just want another collector to come in here, so I need to go real quick. Rig, Skyline, where are all the 4 GT40s? Nothing in here, just a rig Skyline. Skyline. Night Shifter, GT40. Nothing. Oh gosh. This one was sealed. So let's see what we find. Rig. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Super. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Gonna have to bleep that out. Oh yeah. Super. Alright, I'll put this here. Okay, so it's a super case. Rig. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. Okay, Dad. I'm happy with the 1 soup. But we gotta carry on, because you know. This many more cases. I gotta get a rig as well. Oh my gosh. And I watched Ford vs Ferrari recently. It's perfect. Only some left. Regulars. And then we're going to take all the bottoms of them. I'm blocking the aisle. Rig. We've got to be very thorough. Rig Skyline. I'd say the Skyline suits are more likely to be on the bottom if there are any. Why am I putting them down? I just need to look like this.
You put all these down?
Yep. Do you collect them as well?
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, got a super. Yeah.
Only one?
Yeah, so far.
I just saw on the Facebook page that they were out. And I was like, oh, I'm good for that.
Oh yeah? Yeah, there's tons of the Skylines. But there's the Subarus. That's the hard to find one. The blue Subaru, where is it? Do I usually?
Have you grabbed them, yours, dude?
I've grabbed some already, but just gonna leave them here. And last one. Alright, check the bottom of one case. Just 2 rig Porsches. I got a Jag and a Porsche 944 there. I'm just gonna check these ones. Yeah, another collector just turned up. It was cool. Everyone's getting the stuff they want. So I'll just flip this over and we'll check the other side of all 20. So look at this mess. Well, there's hardly anyone in the store anyway. So yeah. Alright, bottom of a B case. 22 Bs. I'm gonna grab tons of these for customs, as in 2. B case, that means, yeah, the Skyline is what we're looking at. Nothing else in the bottom, no. Next. Alright, now that's all of them. Now to clear them all up. Well, there we are, guys. All these boxes stacked, all 20. This is the magic case. That's the code, and there's a sub-code here. Not sure if that means anything, but all I know is I've got my super. So I'm gonna keep looking around here for a bit. Maybe look through the pigs and the dump bin. I'm just happy that I've got my chasers. So thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! So guys, that's all. I did end up getting a second ID chase because I just found one in the dump bin, but I forgot to film it. Awesome. Thanks everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!